Nice to meet you, everyone. Today, I will review the product of TR1, Alto TR1, which I have used for several months. TR1 is designed to separate the three zones from the combination according to the user's needs. It is located at the top of the tent and serves as a light bar. It can be installed on the top of the floor and used as a medium pocket. It can be installed on the top of the floor and used as a small pocket. The total weight is 1,300 grams. Pole, inner tent, rainfly, footprint, gear loft, exclude aluminum pack. For circular and for rectangular repair, kits are included for functional recovery in case of damage to the tent. It consists of an aluminum open buckle. It is explained in detail so that there is no problem with the TR product line and the use of the product. The material of the pole is aluminum, DAC TH7M. The head side, which is heavily affected by the wind, has a thickness of 9.5 mm and the rest is 8.7 mm. The Alto Lightfoot footprint is made from strong, lightweight 68 denier polyester with circular Bartek Hypalon attachment points. It is made of ultra-lightweight 15 denier polyester mesh fabric. It is useful for storing clothes, headlamps, and other necessities within reach. The L7075 T6 Y-type aluminum pack consists of 8 pieces and weighs 10 grams per pack. The 3 saws are impressive. 1 pole repair kit is included. Includes for 2 mm reflective light strings. It has a water pressure of 1200 millimeters and is a durable, lightweight, and wear-resistant 68 denier waterproof fabric. Ultra-lightweight 15 denier polyester mesh inner for maximum ventilation. Its dark gray color provides excellent visibility. The 15 centimeters deep 15 denier nylon tub floor is rated to 1200 Metallist Hyrostatica head, ultralight, waterproof, and durable. Silicone polyether polyurethane coated 15 nylon rainfly fabric provides long-lasting waterproof performance. All sewing is made of solid double sewing. I decided to install it on a beach with weak ground. On the beach, there is a disadvantage of being heavily influenced by the wind. When installing, place your head in the direction of the wind. The position where the backing is put down should be the position when the tent is completed. Personally, I don't want to store plies, innerwear, and footprints separately. It is a very difficult task to crumple each small pouch. It is a pouch made by myself with USMC tarp fabric that I have. I keep it all in this pouch. First, fix the bottom to places. Pull the center of the head and fix the triangle vertex. The foundation work for tent installation is very important. Fix the left and right sides like this. The bag will remain unchanged from its initial position. If you fix the other one, the important foundation work will be completed. Align it with the footprint and hang it lightly. DHC poles consisting of one pole can be assembled easily by anyone. The poles and aluminum clips are composed of the same color, so they can be easily distinguished. Insert the end of the pole into the hypalon hole of the footprint. The head side, which is heavily influenced by the wind, is an extreme 9.7 mm DHC pole. Insert and secure the center pole of the head equally. Hang the inner tent on the main hook located at the top of the pole. Hang the inner tent on the rings at the ends of both poles. Hook at 8 points, please. The triangular structure on the leg side provides solid support. It is slightly inclined so as not to be pushed by strong winds and is connected with a 10 mm pole to withstand impact. Adjust the front stopper to balance the left and right. This work is as important as foundation work. If the inner tent and rainfly are fixed to the same pole, the difference from the floor is severe. To reduce the difference, use one more pack and attach it to the wing as much as possible. Tension ridge has for advantages. First, create a higher space. Second, the head and shoulder space has been expanded. Third, the wide ventilation provides comfort. Fourth, make the sidewall as perpendicular as possible. This allows for the utilization of additional ergonomic space. Insert both poles into the fly hole cup. The other side should be accompanied by some force. Connect the 6 Velcro attached to the inside of the plies to the poles. The rainfly connects between the footprint and the inner tent. rainfly, inner tent, footprint. Hang the string on the left and right sides of the pack and pull the string to give it a proper tension. The entrance is a special place, so you have to secure it firmly. It is the area that receives the most resistance from the wind, so it must be firmly fixed so that it can withstand storms. There is a way to make a secure object by burying or driving a stake in the ground. The method of digging and burying is when the ground is flexible, such as sand or snow. If the ground is solid, it is recommended to drive a stake. It's not 100% correct. There's also a heresy who puts piles in the sand. I use my own string stopper. I'll show you how to make this knot in the next video. I have attached a separate knot to prevent sagging of the entrance. It is applied by changing the direction of the taut line hitch knot. It can be fixed using a V-tack. Rings made of rainfly fabric were not easily allowed. There is a need for improvement. YKK zipper with excellent performance was applied. Unlike rainfly, it can be fixed with a rubber band. The work was easy. If the direction of the wind changes, the entrance may be turned in the opposite direction. Mounted at the highest point, apex vents allow warm, moist air to escape and channel fresh air into the tent. Careful lines are applied to allow water to flow down, even if it penetrates. For convenience of use, I attach the Velcro myself. Baseline vent allows you to control humidity in wet conditions by opening or closing lower portion of the door while maintaining vestibule function and rain protection for your gear. The bottom center ventricle is finely processed. The bottom side area is also finely handled. Pockets can be installed on both left and right sides. Unfortunately, I don't use it because it invades the indoor space. TR1's pole pouch transforms into a Renton bar. The bridge side also provides plenty of room to spare. I connected the point to the point with a string. The rainfly was completely waterproof by performing sim sealing work directly. I found that the zipper was caught in the curve of the entrance zipper due to the tension effect. A handle was desperately needed to solve this. I changed the YKK zipper consisting of string to a leather zipper made by myself. The wide mesh storage with good visibility is well constructed. The large space causes the phenomenon of stretching. I solved the problem using the talk. If you open it up, there's a lot of nagging. I sewed it because I didn't want to hear nagging. It is very useful to use the space on the bridge as a storage space and a drying net. Intense, the entrance door is the most frequently used area and is a powerful vent. That's why reinforcement is needed where it takes a lot of work. It's a great tent that's so perfect that I'm sorry to catch your breath in many ways. To list the shortcomings of 1200 millimeters of water pressure are mentioned. It is carefully suggested to expand an extreme line with a waterproof pressure of 10,000 millimeters. I'm very happy to meet a great tent. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, I'd like to subscribe. Click